Mean man, mean man, mean man. When me hear the word mean and man put together, I edge my teeth. Yeah man, it hurt my belly man, it upset me and give me diarrhea and beer something because you see mean and man.
Would you date a mean man?
For me, no. Because I'm going to tell you with them now.
Me love my man, so me I love him pitney too. No doubt in that, and nobody know for hurt pitney, because that's a crime. What I want be, fear pitney or another woman pitney.
Yes sir, I don't know really so easy. I mean I big up JamBox876. Yeah that. Like, subscribe and share. Smitty, you don't know the chips.
Come like JamBox coming up to buy the people in the supermarket. Eh? You come buy the people in the supermarket. JamBox Boston, man.
One sunshine. Sure.
One JamBox876.
Yo, Energy God representing for JamBox876 with my good friend Smitty Dan. I've seen enough DJ before, but I've never seen a program like this. I've listened enough station before. Trust me, a JamBox come top the list. 876 with my good friend Smitty Dan. Do what you feel like, but not fight it. Smitty Dan JamBox nice.
Then I push something already, you know.
Wicked people, them I don't know.
Practice a push.
Yeah. JamBox, yeah. One JamBox.
I will have godmother didn't come and kiss me.
What's your name, godfather? Every day me a bus bump.
In our check. Or Iraqi them in our check.
Line in there long.
No, mix you.
But me lay down on a sponge.
We just make you side. After you have it out there, that makes the side.
Sure, bro.
So boy people not absent on the balcony.
Yeah.
Every day,
baby, I feel a smile, both sides. 24/7. I want me wifey, play the role. A long journey, baby told me why you want me.
Let me try start. Welcome people, don't know say girl Sunshine representing for JamBox876. I don't know, it's been a while people, but guess what? We're always gonna bring you things that is so exciting, and today we call Island Gully Falls. I would just gonna bring you up on a tour with us. I don't know, so once with the river, it's all about the river talk with the girls them. Yeah, the topic we're not even gonna make you know right now. Just stick and stay, watch. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Yeah, big up on yourself. Oh my God, can I tell you about the water, guys? Guys, this water is full, and even though you hear the falls behind us roaring, can I just tell you that the experience here gonna have to come. Gonna just have to forward. Yeah, gonna just have to come.
It give me a squirting, love making, bubblicious, fantastic feeling. I'm not telling a lie, Island Gully Falls are going with a bag of things. Don't need to come out here. No joke. It's a nice feeling. River sexing is, oh my God. Girl, let's not go there. Oh God, the river is flowing and I feel like I'm flowing.
I never squirted before.
How comes?
Come on, get the man to make me squirt.
Oh my God, it's a great feeling.
Come on, squirt.
Ladies out there,
Big up the crew, girl.
tap in at the comment section and tell me how the squirting session go, because I can't understand how a young girl are not squirting. Is it the man not penetrating right or digging at the corners and cribbies right? Because without squirting it come like sex is nothing. Talk to me, girl.
Probably not everybody know for squirt. Suppose me never make for squirt. But know so we can cream under the things then.
That's for sure, but it take a right man to penetrate to the right tree and turn in at the right feet.
And sex only nice when you like the person. Because if you don't like the person, the sex not gonna make no sense.
You know, say true. Ladies, introducing a man to the river, yeah. Introducing a side man to the river, yeah. Introducing a husband to the river, yeah. Because you see, all who no breed, I go breed. Tell them a little bit about the experience. Oh, you get pregnant on the outdoor. You know, make them know what the breeze going for. Yeah.
Alright. Big up me, and me said nature at its finest. So you don't know, say one of them look at time there. The boy carry me out from the balcony and give me the balcony sex there. I so come to catch a belly. Yeah. Big up we.
With you, bed sex. What kind of sex? Tell the people them what kind of sex you believe in. Tell them for to spice up their relationship a little bit.
Before I catch a belly, I link she. Because I have one girl baby and I say, for catch one boy baby. She say, ride. And I ride all night and I never catch a boy. It's a girl. So yeah.
Because guess why? She ride when she drunk. You must ride when you're sober. So you will get the boy. I ride when I'm sober. So I get two. She get two, girl. She ride when she drunk.
Would you date a mean man?
For me, no. Because I'm going to tell you with them now. Them tight in everywhere. Them much money in everywhere. And all when them have it, them behave like them not have it. And me not like man will stay so. Me expect say them for treat them girl the way how them want to be treated. And don't treat them in a way where them a go stray. And that me believe in them. So me not like the mean man them straight.
If you no say me man is a no. Cause me love my stomach. I like to go out. I like new things. I like try new things. So, no sir, go on home. Your mother never raised a good. You forget woman money.
Mean man. When me hear the word mean and man put together, I edge my teeth. Yeah man, it hurt my belly man, it upset me and give me diarrhea and beer something. Because you see mean and man, my God man, hey, me can tell you one, you see me now? Sunshine, you know me, me's a girl with adventurous. So nature at its best for me, a skyrocket 1000% for me. And if me as a woman have to suggest to you, say we can do them look a river something here, and me love my belly. That's how me tell man, period, me love my belly. So find the finest restaurant. I'm not gonna KFC because I can do that for myself daily. You get what I say? Me have this incident with a man. Every day I would want to come look for me. Come on me yard, come call my phone. Babes, they want boom, I miss you. Boo-hoo, after an horror movie. You miss me, you diss me, you wear me, you tear me, you want to see me. But every time you come with your hand empty. You know what I do there? We say, alright, we do a car date. We go buy little snacks, little car picnic settings there. Go buy little snacks and in the car and thing and a baby and a ray. They look like the liquor junk in before me, because I don't know say me a drink, you know, me a alcoholic, you know. So I'm going to take up my ship where I can't manage the drinking and frost out. You know what I do? I just find him wallet. Yeah man, I just find him wallet and lick it. You see when I go some boops and wake him up and behave like me that sleep too. I say, boom, ready for go home, I'm tired. I frost, I want to sleep. I say, remember say tomorrow is Sunday. And you know, Kiki have to eat dinner, so I need some money for go do some cooking. When him go in there, wallet and don't see the money. If I say my money, I say, me asleep and you asleep, so how for robbery? And a Scrooge and a Christmas. I say, yeah, I don't know what you're going to do, but you have to go stop on the machine. Yeah, man, so you have to do them. And so when the ladies don't know about the mean man them, and don't see them wallet, don't partial it. Right there, so.
But for real, I don't believe in a woman for date man with me, you know. Cause me, you know, I like things. And I feel like say if a boy can't give me things, worse if him can't give you things and him a give you bone, that hot. Sweetie that come like say step in a fire. And yeah. So ladies, do you think that a man should take his female on dates?
Me believe in that, you know. As what Sunshine say, me believe a man should take out their females on any type of day, whether one be restaurant, anyway the girls them feel welcome, just bring them there and just make them enjoy themselves. Because guess what, when they on the earth here for live long, so just have to enjoy to the fullest. That's my thing there.
Date, Sunshine, date. You see, date is a complex words for these nowadays generation. And me, as a young girl myself growing up, I never do the dating thing. We just rush in at the bed thing and I eat that, I always say, yeah. You understand what I say? So, dating kind of new for now, and I encourage the young girls to do the dating thing before when you do the sex thing. You understand? Get for know. On one another, get for know when one another like. But I'm not telling you if you give a man an ammunition to no gun. You understand? Not tell a man straight up what you like or whatever. Because that like something there. That's from basic school days. Make a man be spontaneous and know how to deal with a woman. Because the moment I tell them what you as a woman want, they are going to just do that. Jump in your drawers and then you're going to see them true colors. So the dating thing, it kind of complex to them generation, you know, because them don't know what dating mean. Dating I mean running into sex and all of that. No. Go out on some picnic, go watch some movie, do look a river trip, look a beach trip. You can't even sit in 1 and 2 times and just say, alright, this is a talking date, forget to know one another. You understand? So, dating for me, as a big girl now, as I tell you, I just do it. And trust me, it's fun. And dating I mean say you can date one man, you can date up to 99 man. No man, nobody telling you nothing. One is not no look a focus. Bleep that out for me there. But yeah, you can date up to as many men as you want until you find the right one for you. So try the dating thing and see it work out and see if it not work out best.
If that man should fall on his face, would you be his backative? Would you be there for him? Would you be the one who say, listen, the man I used to carry in the bread, so him drop on him face and us and my time now for us. You know, all the paddle of him.
Sunshine, what a true and most genuine question I could have asked. Me support a trying man. Right true. Yeah man, I support a trying man. You see from your day there, you embrace me the right way, you do the things them for me the right way. And I see say you falter and the reasons where I can help out. You know don't me not more showing my all. Yeah man, more showing my all for that man there. No Joe, me showing my all for that man there. That man there deserve my back, my ribs, my tribe, my intestine, probably all my 2 kidney them me will give him it. No joke. I trying man. I one of the best man I could have ever find. And them hard for find. All of the trying man them out there want a girl like myself. Drop in a JamBox inbox.
I don't have nothing much to say, but I agree with what FeeFee say, you know? A trying man. Right there, so.
Big up to all of the trying youths them out there.
If him have him child, do you think that is your responsibility? And when I say your responsibility, do you think that, you know, if the child want, look at food, look at clothes, look at this, look at that, would you stand beside him the way how you would want him to stand beside you?
Of course. Me not ask Christ. Me love my man so me I love him pitney too. No doubt in that, and nobody know for hurt pitney, cause that's a crime. What I want be, fear pitney or another woman pitney or another woman pitney enough to mix up in a big people thing. We love any baby and that's just that.
That is a touchy topic, Sonny. Mama tell you this. You see, going into a relationship with a child, with another man, the ex-partners tend to believe it's the present man's responsibility to take care of your child. But no, it's not. And I've been in that situation with my baby father. Yeah, man, you gotta see this. I've been in that situation with my baby father. Me and him left. And me have a little one man slap me up and things. So him feel like say me have a one man, the one man for mine in Pitney. Every time I call him, I say your daughter need this, your daughter need that. Notice the pronoun, your daughter need this, your daughter need that. Don't tell me about my man. Whatever my man I give me for me. And it's on me for say listen, whatever money I give me have a child, so I have to use it for her. Because at the end of the day, my child, I'm not going to make Ray. But big up to the man them still. We take care of another man Pitney.
Big up to the
without questioning, without asking, without, you just there work. Straight up. Big up to them man there. But it's a touchy topic. And them man have to stop feel like, and them woman here too, for stop feel like, because we as women sometimes we're bad too, you know. I'm not telling you, like, we have some F-top speed sometimes as females. That's why some man look on a certain way. But yeah, it's not a man's responsibility or a girl's responsibility for look out another man's child. But from the love is there, it just a go come natural. You get me? From the love is there and the love genuine, it a go come natural.
Yeah, because you have some man out there, you know. You have some man out there. We are real waste man. So then we have them youth and them baby mother struggle. And then we have them side chick. Well cock up in them front seats. Well I deal with them business. Well I angle them money. And the woman will struggle with them, where they them yard, where hungry, them now look on the woman them.
And them clothes and dress up and now look after them Pitney them. Me ear to know.
Yeah.
And them rather buy liquor when them go party every single day and them they home hungry.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And them, well like impress girl for ask them if them have Pitney for buy snacks and pay lunch money for other girl Pitney and a sister them feed them Pitney want snacks and lunch money too. We here to know.
Bad.
And for the man them, when you pay 5 school fee for the 5 meet to them a road, and when September morning come, for the Pitney where they on the yard, school fee no pay, and I look on the woman at the yard and say, baby, me think say you have it.
We here to know.
That boy, me all in mama house me a bun. You know? I say I don't want to in-law like me because me a bun on the dunk. I don't grow up on the sun good.
No, them can't grow good, you know. Them can't.
Them can't grow good. Them can't grow in a love.
Yeah, man, them can't grow good, man. But you know, peer pressure and a bag of demon, 2-foot demon, and walk a road with them call friend. Yeah, man, and the man, you see the man, them will like take news too. Me hate Uno. Me hate Uno. Yeah, man, me hate Uno bad. You see the man, them will like dip up in a man house. Me hate Uno too. You see the man, them will like car news, kind of like the man, them baby mother. Me hate Uno. You see the man, them will like free liquor, free weed. Me hate Uno. You see the man, them will like dropping in a people life on Sunday and Saturday time for free food. Me hate Uno. Hey, never catalog you see, man. I don't even know. You see TikTok for me? Total fuckery. Everybody I live in a facade life and I live an imaginary life. Let me say that word there. Since the facade too big for no. You see the imaginary people them I live behind TikTok and I say this are going for them and that are going for them and not really not going for no we soon no. Yeah, we soon no big bowl and clear. A reality we are deal with. Cause behind the camera, eh? Yeah, man. Mama telling you something. Wanna stop playing with God, yeah? Play with God. Stop behaving like say God after a 1 minute or a 1 season or a 1 moment thing. Him is a right true person. So when the time good, say God. When the time bad, say God. When it kind of rocky and shaky, say God same way. Now wait till it bad, we not go talk about God, and then when it good, we all are mad out.
More dry.